Welcome to my channel. Goedendag hook. Subscribe. Hook number 4 and yarn. Let's go. Crochet hat. One chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 chain, 1 chain, oh no, sorry, slip stitch, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, amigurumi 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, double crochet for dog cluster, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, 1 chain, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, repeat, slip stitch, 1 chain, row 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, row 2, twirl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 chain, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for crochet, took 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet for dog cluster, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, 1 chain, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch, slip stitch, 1 chain. Repeat 2 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slip stitch. Repeat. Slip stitch, 1 chain. The end row 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet for dog cluster. Slip stitch, 1 chain. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch, 1 chain. Row 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4. 1 chain. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch, 1 chain. Repeat row 3. The end row 3. Slip stitch, 1 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch. Repeat. Slip stitch, 1 chain. Row 3, the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Repeat row 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch, 1 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch, 1 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch, 1 chain. Yes. row 4, row 1, row 2, row 3, 4 row the end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, and slip stitch, repeat, slip stitch, 1 chain, yes, stand for hope dishes. Welcome to my channel, subscribe.